today's video, I am going to show you how to change the text case. So sometimes to highlight some text, changing the case of the text is needed. Suppose you have typed a paragraph in capital. Okay, as you can see, if I am typing and because of my ignorance and when I saw my document, it is completely in the capital case. And now I want to change all the capital letters with the smaller ones. So how I can do this? Some options like I should remove all the text and then rewrite it again in small and capital. But what if I don't have that much time? So Microsoft Word offers us an option named the text case. So this is the text case option. So change all the selected text to the uppercase, lowercase or other common capitalization. So suppose this is the first example which you are seeing right now on the screen. So first of all, I will select all the text. Then I will place my cursor to the text case option. So as we can see that all the alphabets are in capital. So let's make it in lowercase. Alright, it is not necessary like I am doing right now. Okay, if I am selecting all the text at once, okay, this should be not a case with you all. If you want to change only a single alphabet in capital or in a small, suppose right now I have selected this alphabet G, okay, which is in small case. Again I am placing my cursor in the text case option, and now I would like to make it big, so I will choose uppercase. Okay, so this is your change case option, and I am going to select it again. So you know uppercase, you know lowercase. Now what is sentence case? Sentence case, as you know, whenever we are start typing, okay, let me show you once again. Whenever we are typing something, suppose we are typing a new sentence in small caps, MS Word automatically changes the first alphabet of the sentence in capital. But what if we want to change it again? Okay, so there is another option for that. Just select all your sentence in which you want to apply the sentence case. Sentence case means a type of option in which every first alphabet of the sentence become big. Let's see. This is sentence case. Alright, here the N is in the N is capital now. So this was your sentence case. Now again I am typing something and let's select it and okay, capitalize each word. Now the next option in this text case list is capitalize each word. Okay, if I am going to use this option, capitalize each word, it means each and every word of every sentence, the first alphabet of that word will become capital like this. Okay, J is capital now. Now what is toggle case? Let's see what is toggle case. Again I am typing some random text, select it and go to text case option and click on the toggle case option. Toggle means if the alphabet are small, they will become big. If the alphabet are big, they will become small. So let's see. Okay, so this is a string of capital and small letter. Let's see what will happen after applying the toggle case. Okay, as you can see, it does just the opposite of what we have done, what we have typed on the document. If we have typed capital word, they will become small, and if we typed small words, they will become capital. So this was the concept of changing the text case. I hope you understood it very well. So thank you, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends.